Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This is an book that has amazing characters and chocolates. Go to the next page to find out more. Introducing Miss Gloop, Charlie Bucket, Augustus Gloop, capital M, capital T, capital I, capital K, capital V, capital E, Violet, Veruca. He is poor, Charlie. He has eaten hundreds of chocolate, Augustus. He has looked at the TV for 900 years. He never sleeps, Mike. But just wait until he doesn't look at the TV for his first time. She has eaten gum for like a year, Violet. But after she ate a new gum, she is very greedy, Veruca. This is Charlie. He is poor and his mum and dad are poor too. Poor family. Chapter 1. And his grandma and grandpa is not in a country, 'cause they don't have any money. And they eat cabbage soup, he said. Then the news said, news. This boy found a golden ticket. I love chocolate. I love chocolate. He ate 100 chocolate bars. Next is Veruca Salt. Natata. Rich girl. Chapter 2. Charlie. Mom. She has the best room. Dad. She's small. She is rich. Chapter 3. Fix your jaws. This is Violet. Her jaws are ugly. Her teeth should be like this. And her teeth is like this. She has never ever brushed her teeth. Let's brush her teeth. No, she said and ran away. The TV has gone away. Chapter 4. Mike. 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 What? I got an golden ticket, said Mike. What? Bye bye.